The first commercial versions of OpenVMS, I think, came out in 1977, just in time for the boomer generation who were moving into the workplace. I was one of them. Many of the OpenVMS specialists I meet these days are from that era, and that means, of course, that they're hanging on near or well past retirement. Unlike Linux technologies, into which new blood does seem to flow, I think OpenVMS isn't attracting new blood, which is a pity because OpenVMS has everything to offer. Specialists are now retiring, and unfortunately the positions that they had are not being filled in sufficient numbers by new recruits. It's led to a dearth of OpenVMS resource, and many organizations still rely on OpenVMS on their critical systems, particularly in process control. Some cannot migrate, others find it difficult to migrate. I'd say over the last 5 to 10 years, I've seen many organizations try to migrate and have a plan with a deadline. Quite often, the plan has run on for years past the deadline, and migration has taken forever. Even companies who have migrated don't always get what they expect. They find that what they've got now is not as reliable as the OpenVMS systems that they left. In my view, most migrations from OpenVMS seem to be more motivated by two issues: a lack of skills and a fear that there'll be no skills left to manage the systems. And number two, problems with integrating OpenVMS into modern infrastructure. This presentation hopefully will show we have developed a service whereby OpenVMS system support can be managed remotely by a centralized support organization. The service will allow companies to continue to rely on OpenVMS environments without having to worry about dwindling resources.